Oh my God. It looks like there's a rat been in there. Good bit of moss. You can get in, mate. I'm not touching it.
Down there.
What, mould? Oh, nice! Probably going to find a rat in the boot.
It's only going to pop out.
Will it start? No.
Stay tuned.
Good morning and welcome back to German Auto Works. Me and Joel are on our way to collect a car from North London. It hasn't moved in 5 years.
Cycling Mike here, bro. Sorry.
Mate, it hasn't moved in 5 years. It's an Audi A4 180. It is going to be completely dead. Brakes are going to be seized. Probably going to drag wheels along the floor trying to get it on the trailer. So it's going to be good fun.
I phoned the security guard up and he goes, yeah, I've been working here for 5 years and since I started I've never seen it move.
That's a 30 Converti as well, isn't it? Yeah. 30 Converti. Right, here we are. The Audi A4 180. Good bit of moss.
Bit of moss.
Oh yes. It looks like there's a rat been in there.
Yeah.
Oh, this is fun. You can get in, mate. I'm not touching it.
Oh, the handbrake was up, so that's going to be seized.
What do you reckon, Joel? Will it start? No.
Stay tuned. Oh, it did open.
What, the bonnet?
Looks alright.
Oh, that's tidy, mate.
Yeah, it looks fine.
Someone's left their rag over there.
It's not that bad.
You could have opened it and it could have been no engine.
Yeah.
Yeah, so as I mentioned, it hasn't moved in over 5 years, so I don't have much hope for this. Got to try and get it on the trailer, which is all the way around the corner because we couldn't actually get the van up here.
Okay.
It's exciting.
Absolutely no idea.
Found it.
Good man.
I bloody found it. That was literally held on by hopes and dreams, sort of. Bloody mechanic, mate.
Are we going to do the, oh my God, if it starts?
I mean, if it starts, it's definitely not going to start. Oh. Go on, Jolie boy.
You want to try it? Oh, should we check the oil first, actually?
Yeah,
So it doesn't blow the engine up?
yeah, do that.
Probably
Do
a
that.
good idea.
Mechanic. That's a nice noise.
Have you got a rack?
Yeah, you go, mate.
That's actually...
It's wet.
There's oil in there. Is it just going to keep firing that alarm? Ah, that's fine, mate.
All good.
Yeah, it's good to go.
I was going to say how many miles is it on, but it looks like it's done serious arsewear.
Apparently it's not that high mileage.
No? She's done a lot of seat time.
68,000 miles.
Oh, mate, it's got less than my car.
Ready?
Let's go. Oi. Oh. Oi. Oh. Oh.
It's on.
Will it
The
start?
alarm is still on though.
The alarm is still on. Is that some aftermarket job?
No, just because it's confused.
I mean, it works.
Yeah, it runs.
So now we just got to put some air in and hope that the brakes aren't too seized, which, oh my God.
Oh, look at the tyres. I don't know if that's going to inflate. I very much doubt it.
Oh. Oh. At least it's downhill.
Give it a go.
I just want to know what all of this is from.
Yeah,
Right.
something's definitely been in the back there.
Has there been a rabbit in the car? That alarm is a bit much. Oh, it's going up. A bit.
It's going to be new brakes around, new tyres around, a new battery obviously, and then see where we're at. Oh, look down there.
What, mould? Oh, no. Nice! You want to breathe that in?
Do you see what's in the boot? Oh.
Yeah, you're probably going to find a rat in the boot.
It's only going to pop out. Oh, it's not working.
There's no rats.
Really?
There's no rats.
Oh, socket set and a
I know.
screwdriver set. Brand new. I wonder if the alternator still works.
You gotta pump it up.
Don't you know, pump it up. So it looks like we've got some oil leakage down onto the exhaust down there. So looks like it's just burning off. that's where the smoke's coming from.
Smoky.
Smells. The rocker cover, I think it's the rocker cover gasket has just gone all crispy and it's just leaking, but that's okay.
So the gasket is no longer doing gaskety things. Do you think the alternator's going to work?
When we get back to the workshop, we can have a look, do a charging
I'm glad
test
I'm not
to
driving
see.
it home. Cheeky little stall when I'm buggered.
You'd be bugged down the A1 when it runs out of battery. Jump back off now.
Oh, oh! We're running wireless, baby!
Let's see if the alternator is still working. If it cuts out in a very short period of time, then we know it's not. But it sounds like it is.
Oh, she's a beast.
Okay, I'm just going to shut that a little bit. If we need to go back in there.
First pull away in 5 years. What? Even sound too bad. Oh no, there's a bit of creakages. It's not terrible.
All the windows still work.
Yeah. It suits him, doesn't it? I could see Joel, top down, summer months, wind in his hair. Well, that could have been worse, really. She wasn't bad at all. I thought it was going to be dragging front wheels along the floor and all sorts, but not bad. Handbrake was on for 5 years, windows went down perfectly. That's why Joel's driven off and now I've got to pick everything up. Joel's getting the trailer on the van down there. I mean, thankfully, easy. I think we're just going to drive it straight on. So we've actually found out that the previous owner actually sadly passed away. We thought it was about 5 years ago that he passed because that's how long the car hasn't moved for, but it turns out it was relatively recently. We were a bit panicked when we first got in because we got told it was around COVID time and the car hasn't moved since and it's still got COVID masks in there. It's like a little time capsule. So if Joel's not in work for the next week, we know why. He's caught some deadly disease and sadly he's no longer with us.
Okay, here we are then. Let's put it on the trailer. Got loads of mould round us. Some COVID masks in there.
Right, the A4 is locked and loaded. On the way back to the workshop now. It was actually far easier than it should have been, or could have been. The brakes were a little bit seized, but a little bit of squeal, and that was about it, really.
About it. Not even a little
drove it onto the trailer. I mean, Joel actually brought me along for the absolute muscle. He needed some pushing, but I didn't have to do anything. That's what just went along and held a phone. So yeah, we'll get the car back to the workshop. We'll probably just leave this one here and then we'll come back to this car at a later date and see if we've actually made any progress with it. What's even happening with it? Is it
he just wants to see if he can repair it because he wants to get back on the road.
Oh, he's going to keep it?
Yeah.
Fair enough. Well, easy as. Catch you next time. Shall do it, Jay. Peace!